General Industry Tech Hebei Developing Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer of large and medium-sized machinery and equipment. Mr. Kerry Zhu, the founder of the factory, is a professional sales engineer who has been engaged in the design and manufacture of cold forming machines for more than 10 years and has served manufacturers and distributors in more than 100 countries in the world. At present, GET Group can provide all kinds of cold roll forming machines, including roofing sheets machine, wall panel machine, CZ purlin machine, light steel gauge machine, metal embossing machine, door window system forming machine, ceiling system machine, pipe welding machine, slitting and cut-to-length machines, rack system machines, floor decking machine, and so on. With many years of export experience, GET Group has fairly well understood the different needs of customers from different countries and provides customers with satisfactory design solutions. Nowadays, our machine has been exported to more than 100 countries and we have established long-term and stable cooperative relationship with our clients.